Hi, good morning, everybody. Um, I've got many of the other state friends also. So, most of them are North Indians and they don't understand Tamil. So, what I decided is I'll do videos in both the languages, Tamil as well as English. Because last time, what all videos I made, Heal Your Heart, that playlist, as well as how to become the best version of yourselves. Those are all in Tamil. So, my friend from Bombay, she called me and said, all your videos are in Tamil, I'm not able to understand. So, make it in English. So, I just thought I'll do in both the languages as much as possible because I don't know whether I could do all the videos in Tamil and English or not, because anyhow I'll do it in Tamil because my most inborn thing within me is I've been brought up in a situation of where I see all around me people are suffering and people have so much of disease and symptoms. So my main aim is to make them understand why they are suffering and out of what they are suffering. So it's been a year I've been in YouTube. So I think January 2019 I posted my last video. It's more than a year, it's April now. So what have I been doing all this 1 year? I just made a survey. I just asked all the people who are surrounding me, like, are you happy? And one person said, nobody has asked this question since a long time. And she said, no. I asked why. I don't feel satisfied within myself, so I'm not happy. I asked, what makes you happy? She said, I want to live like how all I wished from my childhood. I never got a chance to live. Then I asked, how do you wish to live? She said, like, I wish to live very happy. And then I asked, what does that wish to live very happy? What all that combine as a combination? What is that package? And she said, like, from morning to night, how all she wished to live. I said, okay, fine, it's nice. I like this way of lifestyle and all. And we both were discussing. And I just asked, she's actually retired, she's home now. I asked her, what is stopping you from living this? And she thought for a moment. She didn't give me back any reply because she's getting good amount of pension she has made, but still she's not able to live that, and she's not like restricted by her husband also, do this, do that, nothing. Her in-laws are also not there because she herself is retired, so that she doesn't have in-laws. So she just thought a moment and she realized and said, I don't know. This was the current situation of people. All are wishing to live a life, but they themselves don't know crystal clearly what they are wanting to live and what their wishes are, who they are from inside. So they are keeping on longing for something, and when they get their materialism, like financial abundance, they think, okay, we are good enough to live a life happily, but still after getting money also they are not happy. So they are, from that point only, they are starting to think, even when I get money, even when my hand is full of money, I am not happy. So why am I not happy? So what I need to be happy? So the survey goes like this. Not only that person, many person, and one interesting candidate, I asked, why are you not satisfied? She said, like, I want to live life like how we used to be in heaven. So then why are you not living it? I asked. Then she said, I'm not able to, my family situation is this, that, all, everything, she said. I patiently listened, and at last I asked, so what does heaven on earth mean to you? She's completely blank. She didn't know what it meant in her sense, in her perspective. So that's what I felt. People, they themselves don't know what they want, what their dreams are, what their wishes are, how they are wishing to live. This is all because they don't spend time with their own selves. They keep on looking everything around them, and they keep on looking, this will make me happy, this will make me happy, this will make me happy. And they really don't think and don't have the knowledge what makes them happy. So like this 1 year, and one more thing is, because of all this mental stagnation and because of all this emotional, negative emotions, physical health is also not in a good health and harmonious grounds for anybody, whomever it be. Like, see, if you take kidney, if a person is very insecure through his emotions, who is a very scared personality, who fears for everything, his kidney gets damaged. If a person is very ferocious person, if a person is always angry within, like he keeps on controlling his anger, and he gets anger for even small things, that anger affects liver. So same way, like each and every emotion has its own effect in human body parts, internal parts as well as external part. Because kidneys external part is ears, lungs external part is eyes. So all this affects the human body. So what people are suffering in today's life as diseases are nothing else but their mental, emotional stagnation and negativity, what they are suffering within themselves mentally. So if spirit, human spirit does not need healing, it is of high vibrational and from a higher dimension, because it's a spark of source itself. But human soul, what we tell is liveliness within us, that is emotions. Human soul and human body needs healing. So I want to teach how a person can heal by himself. So, but within this healing, a person has to come to me, person has to grasp what I am telling, he has to understand, he has to acknowledge, he has to accept. After that, all that agenda, whole healing process is going to happen. So within that time gap, practical and theory and practical knowledge, unless it's been grasped and applied and implicated in day-to-day life, it always has a distance. So this distance is a gap I am talking about. So until that gap gets filled, I want to send healing waves to people. See, like suddenly I've finished acupuncture, I finished Reiki and all. So people from different places call me and they keep me informing. Like my daughter got fever today, so please do a crystal grid healing for her, distance healing for her, give a phone healing, acupuncture healing, or give a Reiki healing. And I used to give them. But what I used to think is, only when I sit for meditation and only when I am focused, I am able to send that healing waves and do that healing. Only for that particular time, might be half an hour, that's all. So that their health improves, like how cell phone signal reaches the people. Nobody carries it. Universe automatically, if this person wants to call, the waves are carried and it's connected to that particular number, isn't it? Same way, frequency and vibration. If you are thinking of that particular person, they have a vibration and your waves have a vibration, your healing waves reach them. So actually what I felt was, if I could have, I could have a facility to keep on thinking about them, meditating for them and sending my all healing waves to them, the health for them will get improved very fast, they can recover very fast. But unfortunately I couldn't do that, because all through the day, all through the time, I couldn't stay focused on like sending the healing waves, because we all have our own deeds to do and we are all busily occupied with all Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those stuff. So I was keeping on searching for an excellent auxiliary tool which can help me for this. So, and miraculously I found crystals, because what crystal does it, crystal has three properties. One is physical healing property, emotional healing property, as well as manifestation property. So, and crystal, like, it can't even be explained, it's such an excellent auxiliary tool, because it senses your vibration. You talk to it, you tell different story, but your emotion tells different story. Crystal senses only your emotions, which is your electromagnetic waves, which is entangled with your emotions. So it can sense what you want, what your dreams are, what your vibration is, what your frequency it is, and it matches to it. And crystal can show you what all it has gone through. And crystal can see, if you charge a crystal giving an intention to it for manifesting your dream, what happens is, if sometimes what happens is, because of our negativity, because of our stagnation, we get misaligned, we deviate from the path of our dream, making it coming true. But crystal pulls us back, sets on the path and aligns us back to our dream. So this much capacity his crystal has. And if you set a healing grid, distance healing grid for a person, whether you forget or not, whether you are able to send your healing waves to that person or not, this crystals will keep on sending its healing waves to that person. So it's an excellent tool I got. So I was so amazed, and I always like to be in this magical world of really this experience of this vibrations, magical world of vibrations of crystals. It can't be explained. You have to experience it by yourselves. It's such a miraculous, amazing experience it is. So in between, in this 1 year gap, I finished my acupuncture, I finished yoga for human excellence, I finished my mindful meditation course, I finished my how to tell, so many etc., angelic healing course, crystal healing course, tarot card, mystic tarot card course, and how to make your dreams come true, enlightenment course. So many courses I finished, because I just wanted to share all the knowledge which I have with this human race. So something I can help them evolve, so they can be delightful, free of their sufferings and all. And actually, and after taking the survey, I really found a solution for that. I constructed a construction manual which has 9 courses, consecutive courses. You cannot skip one, or you cannot go to the next one without understanding one. It is like that, step by step process. And so it has to be like grasped as a whole and intaken step by step and moved step by step. So without understanding the first part of the course, you cannot jump to the second part of the course. It is actually a course which is like I have done, like it's an evidential mind alignment course. So when you align everything in one single line, mind, body, soul, spirit, whatever you wish will happen. So your sufferings will end, you will be happy, joyous, peaceful, how all you wish to live, you can live. So I'll talk regarding my courses next video. Thank you.